Good morning, happy Friday. Hey, babe, I have an idea. My Friday song, I need help with. No, you just have to repeat what I say. You can do it, come on, watch. Okay. Okay. Oh, happy day. When Jesus washed. Go ahead. When Jesus washed my sins away. Oh, happy day. Okay, he is not a participator, but that's okay.
I'm hearing, right?
He goes, I'm here, aren't I? Yes, you are. You are a live participator. You are not a song participator. I'm here, aren't I? Yes, yes, you are. Anyway, happy Friday. Hey, you know what'd be fun? We can play a game. You wanna play a game?
My brain's not active like yours.
So, here's the game. I know you said no, but we're not paying attention to that. Here's the game. So, you act like me and I'll act like you. Go ahead. I can't even pretend. Can't even pretend. Bless it. I can do you. Okay, that was fun. You know, instead of having so much fun with his demeanor, what I should do is just be like speaking laughing to him, like, you are such a pleasant, kind, well, he is kind, generous, happy guy, joyful, just joyful. You're just joyful. That's what I should be doing. That's what a good wife would be doing. Mayday. Anyway, all right, y'all have a great Friday.